Hello guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I am going to show you how to root your device. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First open the Google Chrome and search Kingo Root APK. And you see this website, first website. Open and scroll down and download for Android. Download anyway. Open the APK and install. Now open the app and you see, click here and your device will be rooted. My device is already rooted, so I don't need to click. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe my channel, like my video.